how to create Brainly account. So if you want to create a Brainly account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Brainly, and here you will have brainly.in. Click on that and you can simply go for join now, which is on the upper right. And now you can sign up with your Google account, or you can sign up with your Apple or your Facebook. So I'll be simply choosing the first option, which is sign up with Google. And now you can choose your Google account and then click on confirm. And here you have to enter your username. But if you don't like this username, then remove that and then you can enter your username which you like. And then you have to enter your country or your region, and then you need to select your age and click here so that you agree to the terms and services, so that you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then click on create account. And that's it. That's how you create your Brainly account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.